Remember the AMS shelf that I spent 2 weeks, or actually 3 weeks, building, printing, building, doing all kinds of stuff, burning my fingers. Yeah, you may remember if you saw that short that I thought that I was going to be able to put that on top of my P1S. And lo and behold, you cannot do that. So I have it stacked to the side of it, which is okay, but not really what I need as far as space conservation goes. So I just bought this last week. This just came out, the Panda Perch. This is designed to go on top of a P1S, and it will hold 2 AMSs when I'm done. I will show you the end result. Putting it together is easy. It's solid metal construction, lots of screws, so it feels very sturdy. This is what the Panda Perch looks like when you have it configured for 2 AMS units. You can use it for 1 or 2, which is nice. Like I said, lots of screws. Not hard to put together. It takes some time, probably putting in, I don't know, close to 50 screws in total. The only complaint I have thus far is these instructions. They don't give any indication of which fasteners go in which spot, so you just kind of figure it out along the way. But other than that, it seems like a very well-made stand. So we'll get it on the printer and see if I can get this all working. All right, here's my Panda Perch mounted on top of my P1S. Yeah, it makes it wide, but it's off the table, so it's going to regain me some bench space that I need. Holds it well, and then in the back, what I had to do was install the AMS hub. It allows you to hook up to 4 AMSs to a printer. I had to use a 6-pin to 6-pin cable to connect this to that, and then to run this 6 to 4-pin cable to go from here down to the hub down here. And yeah, I think I'm going to move this so it's outside this cable. But yeah, that's it. I'm about ready to fire it up. Okay, got the Panda Perch installed on top with this is the AMS unit that came with the P1S. This is the AMS unit that came with the X1C carbon that I had issues with. And apparently there are still issues with it. It looks like it's not detecting filament in number slot 1 or 4 for some reason. So I can see me probably eventually getting like a new AMS unit for this, maybe an AMS2. Might as well get an AMS2, I guess. But the fit is great. Great, got lots of room now back on my bench. And yeah, there's one more addition that I'm going to do to the P1S, at least I intend to. One more accessory that I bought for it, but we will cover that another day. I can't wait to start printing with 8 filaments. Well, only 6 right now, but 8 eventually.